Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to Tradovate. And if you want to do this, the first step that we are going to do is we select right here at settings and then we go to manage plugins. Then right here you will find a list of plugins and then we need to search for Tradovate at the T and there we have it. Then right now we select right here on install. So now the plugin is installed and then we click here on the cross and now we go right here to connections and click on configure. Then from here we do add connection and then we select right here at platform Tradovate. Let's see, where's Tradovate? There's Tradovate. We select right here Tradovate and he will automatically change the connection name right here. And then what we're going to do is do OK. And then when we go right here to connections and select right here Tradovate, then right now we need to log in right here with our Tradovate account. So we try to log in. Let's give it a look. You successfully logged in into Tradovate. You can close this page right now. And then right now we do here OK. And now he is logged in to Tradovate. So this is how easy it is. If you have more questions about something, please comment down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.